I pray to the divinity in you. Today, I like to give you a glimpse of the whole classical text. And I'm teaching you the way I was taught in the monastery by a great Swami who was a great mathematician in India. His name was Chakravarti. He used to teach me on the sand by drawing triangles, lines, dots, you see. And he used to explain both. The philosophy behind yoga science is Samkhya philosophy, which means Samyak Akhyate, that explains the whole. The human life on all levels, human relationship with the universe, how universe came into existence, how many tattvas are there, whether Samkhya has two branches. One branch did not believe in the existence of Ishvara. And Seshwar and Nirishwar, there are two branches. It means the philosophy is so embracing, it embraces the whole universe. Even if you are agnostic, atheist, you'll get something from that philosophy, which is called Sankhya philosophy. The science today has its root on the mathematics. Mathematics is a science which is called positive science. Without mathematics, no science can survive. Sankhya gave birth to mathematics first.